In this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw funds from eToro. Now I'll show you how you can withdraw your normal and also how you can withdraw crypto. So for the normal ones, you just want to head to eToro.com, head to withdraw funds, and from in here, you should be able to withdraw. Now keep in mind the positions need to be closed, so you actually have the money before you can withdraw it. Otherwise, you can click on this help button and it will show you exactly the requirements for the funds to be eligible. Now, if you want to do it with crypto, you want to head to portfolio, find the crypto in here, and then you want to click on the three dots and select send to wallet. Then you want to download from the App Store an app called eToro Money, which is basically a wallet for your crypto and stuff made by eToro. When you click on that button, it's gonna send the money to your eToro Money app, and from in there you can keep it there or you can send it to an external wallet if you want to. So that's how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.